I really believe that I can teach myself anything. I think there's no realm of thought or skill that's kind of out of bounds. And so by going into the gym, coming into weightlifting and exercise as a brand new person, it really gave me the confidence to be able to make a career change from engineering to molecular biology and gene editing. It's helpful to think, well, if you can do all those really cool, physical, strong things in the gym, then you can figure this out. So in the lab, I study a rare nerve disease that affects how people move. This disease that we're studying is caused by a single mutation in the DNA sequence. There are so many genetic diseases that are caused by a single mutation on a single gene that have no cure. I think that gene editing can change that. Kind of like a pair of scissors, we can go into the DNA and make a cut, and by making that cut, we are able to repair any mutation that exists in that DNA sequence. We are made up of a bunch of strings of A, C, Gs, and Ts, but with gene editing, we're able to directly target one single letter that is causing a debilitating disease in a person's life and potentially be able to fix that. The work that we're doing is unique because we use cells from patients that actually have the disease that we're studying. Meeting with the people that my research will impact, to know that I can give them hope, it really, gives me that extra pep in my step when I walk into the lab. I've always been really motivated to help people and try to understand how we can use science to help people. For me, that's working on disease-relevant research. That's improving science communication through an online journal club that I host, talking about new scientific discoveries. That's making sure that I'm being a mentor to future scientists and also showing up as my authentic self. I don't look like every other scientist, so how am I changing the conversation of what a scientist looks like by just showing up at my bench every day? I hope that when other women in science look at me, they see someone that's confident, someone that really loves science, and someone that's going to impact the world.